Hi everyone, this is Pramita here, and this is another design team project. This is actually an altered file folder. I'm sorry if the camera is a little bit shaky. I'll try and fix that. So this is this is an altered file folder. So yeah, at last I got my hands on to some file folders and I decided to make this journal. So this is a design team project for Tsunami Rose Designs, and I'll post all the links in the description box below. So a very warm welcome to all my new subscribers as well as my older ones. Thank you for hanging around. I know I've been pretty erratic while posting videos, but that's because the situation here where I live is not too good because of COVID situation, whatever. And yeah, it's very upsetting, and it's very depressing also. So I kind of, when things like that happen all around you, you kind of it very demotivates you in a sense. So that's what has happened with me, and but still life has to go on. So here I am. So anyways, enough of chit chat. So this is a new kit that Tsunami Rose Designs has come up with. This is Ambrosia. I will post all the links to this kit below as well as her shop, and she has a very good Facebook group if you are interested. So I'll post the links to that group also below. So as I was talking, this is her Ambrosia kit, and this is also an altered file folder. So on the front, as you can see, I've done a lot of collage. So this is from, I think, one of her seed packets, Ephemera pack that she has in her shop. I'm not exactly sure. I had this for a while, so I'm not confident. But I have used this kit Ambrosia that I'm confident about. So it's tied with an organza ribbon. Let me take this off. So sorry. So this is an altered envelope that I've added on the front. So this is actually a page from the kit that I've used as a topper sort of thing on the cover, and here I have made a pocket so you can put something in, as I have put in. So this is actually a lace covered tag. You can journal at the back, and this is just an ephemera piece that I've added to it. This is a lace butterfly, and I've also added a little bit of bead to it, some sort of a charm. So if you want, you can take it out because it's attached with a bulb pin, obviously. So here I've done a little bit of layering. These were actually clusters that I had made. If time permits, I would like to show my process of making clusters like this. You can make them in advance and then you can use them in your journals. I have made quite a few. I think I have some with me. I can show. Just a second. So I have made clusters, snippet roll clusters, whatever you want to say. I have made some like these, so that you can make them as pockets, you can attach them as belly bands or whatever. So this is one, and I've used up quite a lot of them while I was working on some journals. So this is another long one that I've made. So I have a cheat process of making these. Usually I don't make things like this in advance, but I was planning on adding them to my forthcoming journals, so I made quite a few of these. So I'll do a video where I show how I make these, mini snippet roll cluster sort of thing, which can be used as a cluster like this, or it can be used as a snippet belly band or whatever. So this is a part of that snippet, and this is an envelope, as I said, and here is another ephemera. These ephemera are all from the Tsunami Rose Designs. They have all been tea dyed, and this is the cover. So I'm going to turn this, I'm going to open this. So this is how the middle looks. So this is the journal name, Ambrosia in Vogue. This is the kit that I've used basically, with bits and pieces from here and there. So let's try to fix this. There's some squishy plastic sort of thing which is very noisy. Sorry about that. So let me show you the construction basically. So here is the journal, and this folds out, this folds out, okay. So, and I've also added a charm, keychain charm at the bottom to this tab sort of thing, okay. So let me walk you through the entire thing. It is a little bit flippity floppity kind of thing, but I kind of like it, because if you have been watching my YouTube videos for a while, you know I have a kind of a love for these kind of ephemera holders. I find them, you know, inclusive of everything. You can carry them around, you can you know, journal in them, you can document your memories on the go. So this is very compact system sort of thing. So here I have sort of flap which came with the ephemera file folder, and I've added 2 pockets to this. These are altered envelopes, and I've added some journal cards, okay. And when you turn them over, you can see 2 more cards there. These are all cut down from pages of Ambrosia in Vogue. This kit, you know, has a lot of collage pages. So if you want, you can make use of them in many ways. So this is just one of this. So here I have a long pocket, and I've made a tag to go inside that long pocket. So now we can close this part up and then open this entire thing, okay. So here we have another pocket where I have some ephemera pieces that go in. These are masterboards that I created using papers from Tsunami Rose Designs. I do have a video in my channel, so I'll link the video below, where you can see how I created these masterboards using the digital ephemera from her shop. And then I've just added some you know, some elements of focal point, and I've not decorated them entirely as per se, because sometimes I find the person who gets it can also do a little bit of their own. So here you can see I've left a blank space. That is intentional, because I wanted the person who gets it can use a label, or, you know, some sort of digital ephemera, or maybe some stamp, vintage stamp, or anything of that sort. So that can be done over here. Here I've just done a little bit of layering. This is a window envelope that I have cut down to size, and here I have, sorry, I don't know why my camera is so shaky today. I'm sorry, I'm totally sorry about this. Just a second, guys. Here. So here is a tag that goes inside this window pocket that I have altered, and then this flips up. Here is the back side, and I've added another pocket. This is another ephemera, just added a little bit. This was also an envelope, so what I did was I altered that, and here is another large journal card that I've added. And when you flip this over, there's another pocket over here, and you have some ephemera that go in. So This is packed with ephemera, guys. I have made so much ephemera for these because there are lots of pockets, very interesting flips and stuff like that. Here I have some double pockets. Okay. So again, these are created from Masterboards that I had made. So this is a double pocket, and here we come towards the journal. So I'm going to walk you through the journal in the later stages. Let me walk you through the ephemera first, ephemera holder first. Okay, and then this is a belly band I have. This is actually an altered envelope. Again, I have used quite a lot of envelopes. So here we have some ephemera. And this flips up. So this is actually an envelope. Here again I've made some journal cards, and inside there is another journal card. So that goes inside this envelope, and here you have another journal card. Here again I have another bunch of ephemera. This is actually a double pocket that I had made. So you can see this is a double pocket, and this goes inside this pocket. This goes inside this pocket, and this goes inside this pocket. Then this flips down. This will go inside the envelope. Here I have made an policy style closure envelope. This is made out of button. So let me take this off. I don't know. So I'm sorry it's taking such a long time. So here again there is a journal card. This closes up. I've done a little bit of layering over here and at the bottom. And this is actually a top tuck sort of thing. So I have another journal card that goes inside. And then when you close this, here you can see another set of pockets. This is again double pocket, and I've added some ephemera to this pocket. And that's that. Okay, so this is the journal. The journal is basically very plainish kind of thing. When I make ephemera folder holder sort of thing with lots of ephemera, I try to stick to a very basic kind of journal so that you can have a lot to play with. That's the main idea. So here is a long pocket. So you have some journal card that go in, some vintage book page, some lined page, some pattern paper, doily. This is absolutely gorgeous, guys. This is so bright and happy, cheerful sort of thing. Again, I have made a little bit of pocket with ephemera, some music page, Edith Holton page, some blank page, again some tall pocket. So you have a large tag that go in, pretty large. Okay. And then lined page, some half page, again some half page, some page from the kit, some ephemera, some blank page, and this is the middle of the signature. So what I've done is I've added 2 pockets at the middle, and I've added some pretty tags that I've made by cutting down the pages. And they're pretty tall. Some journal card that I've made. Okay. Some page from the kit, half pages, lined pages. Again, another of those tall pockets. This is another page from the kit. Blank page. Some Edith Holton book page, music page. This flips out, so you can glue it, or you can make it into a pocket, or if it bothers you too much, you can even take it out, trim it down, whatever. This is another pocket. some ephemera and envelope. Here is a tiny envelope, some doily, some book page, and this is again large tag, and this is the back. So this is how the ephemera holder or folder, altered file folder envelope kind of thing that I've made looks. Thank you for watching. Regarding the sale of this journal, I would like to say that I am not currently listing this in my shop, but it is up for sale. If anybody is interested, then please message me through Etsy and I will see what I can do, because shipping to some of the countries are right now suspended, closed right now, so I don't know how things will go. So that is why I'm not listing anything right away. But if I do a show and tell of any journal, that means it is up for sale. So if it is not listed in my shop, I'll post a link to my shop below in the description box. If you see there is no listing link below, that means that it has not been listed, but it is still up for sale. You can contact me through Etsy or Messenger, and we can go from there. Okay, so bye everybody. Thank you for watching, and thank you Daisy Collins for giving me this opportunity to be on your design team. Thank you Daisy. Bye. Have a great day.